In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can transfer money from Binance to MTFE. Now, the first thing you need to do, guys, is to copy your MTFE wallet address. You need to go inside your app and you need to click on recharge. As you can see here, guys, you need to click on recharge in your wallet and you need to copy your wallet address. Now, after that, guys, what you need to do, guys, next is you need to click on wallet in the top right. After you open your Binance account, you want to click on wallet. By the way, you can do the same step, like you can do the same things, or you can do the same steps inside your phone. Now, after you click on wallet, you want to click on fiat and spot. Okay, so next thing you need to do, guys, is to select the coin that you want to like withdraw to your MTFE. So the first thing you need to do, guys, you want to select or the coin that you want to transfer to your MTFE. So for example, if you want to transfer BNB, you want to click on withdraw. As you can see next in the action section, you want to click on withdraw and you need to enter the address that you have copied from MTFE. Like I said, you want to go inside the app and you want to click on recharge. When you click on wallet, you want to click on recharge and you will find your address there. Paste it here, and after you paste that address here, guys, what you need to do, guys, next is to select the correct network. So if you don't know the correct network, you need to make sure that the network is correct. Okay, so go with BNB Smart Chain and then click OK. Now after that, guys, you want to click on withdraw or transfer here the bottom. Okay, so currently I don't have funds inside my Binance. Yeah, that's it. So that's exactly, guys, how you can transfer money to MTFE. Hopefully this video helped you. If it does, leave a like and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. I reply to every single comment.